Our last story today is a little creepy, but biology isn't always pretty. And on the plus side, the next subject is mostly benign, and it led scientists to a groundbreaking and life-saving discovery. But still, the thing is, tumors can grow teeth. I told you it wasn't pretty.
It's horrifying.
It really is. Our poor designer messaged me and was like, oh gosh, I Googled this to see if maybe I should include an image, and I just horrified myself, and I feel very bad that I didn't warn her.
If you have a weak stomach, never Google anything medical. Oh no.
Yeah, they're pretty bad. These are particularly bad.
But we won't get too graphic with this audio story.
Right. So I'm talking about tumors called teratomas, which is Greek roughly for monstrous tumors. No kidding. Teratomas haven't just been known to sprout teeth. They've been known to contain all kinds of tissue: bone, muscle, hair, and elements of a nervous system. A mature teratoma can be big and painful and even persistent, but again, they're typically not dangerous. It's immature teratomas that have the most potential to develop into cancer. That's where the cells haven't yet turned into multiple tissue types. The reason teratomas can grow teeth is through the normal magic of germ cells. That's the type of stem cell that turns into an egg or sperm cell, which can then produce a fetus. Germ cells are what scientists call pluripotent, which means they can produce all different types of tissue. When germ cells go rogue, though, teratomas arise. In fact, all it takes is one germ cell going rogue. In the 1960s, embryologist Barry Pierce discovered that the root of every teratoma is a single germ cell, which produces a constant stream of new and varied cells that accumulate into a tumescent mass. Meanwhile, all the other cells in the tumor lead normal cellular lives and eventually die off. In other words, teratomas are a case of a bad apple ruining the bunch. Back to the silver lining of this story, though. Pierce's research ended up with implications beyond these toothy tumors. That discovery of pluripotency, the discovery that one cell could create many types of cells, eventually led to the discovery of stem cells in the 1980s. That's a breakthrough with massive implications, from the key to cloning animals to growing isolated human organs like hearts for people who need transplants. So in the end, teratomas really aren't as horrifying as they sound. Just like you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, maybe you shouldn't judge a tumor by its teeth, hair, and fully developed eyeball.
That is disgusting.
It really is.